Hello, it's your boy Miguel from the Mobile 757. You know how I get down. Get ready to change a double piston caliper on a Ford Explorer. And the purpose of this video, you know how I get straight to the point. When you change this line right here, the brake line, to go on the brand new one, it's going to come with brand new hardware. Do not use the old hardware. So I'm using a brand new bolt. And a lot of people forget this step, including me sometimes. These copper washers is what's keeping that brake fluid from leaking. So you have two of them. One is going to go, I didn't take it off because it's going to start leaking all over the place. There's a copper washer under here. And then there's another copper washer up under here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the line and I'm going to put the bolt in the line. And on the very bottom of the bolt, when I screw it in, I'm actually going to put it in right there. But at the end of the job, there'll be one on top, one on the bottom between this brake line right here. Do not forget this step, and do not reuse those crush washers, those copper washers, because a lot of times they'll just leak all over the place. Use the brand new stuff. That's why it came with it. If you like this videos, please like, subscribe, share, and please leave some positive comments. Thank you.